Are you tired of logging your Facebook message data onto Google Sheets? Let me show you how to do it automatically using Zapier. In order to get started with this workflow, I need to create a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. I can create my Zap by typing in Facebook Messenger to Sheets on the main page. Then I'll click Try It. The trigger screen will then pop up. Our trigger is an event that starts any Zap. The first time we set up Facebook Messenger, we'll need to connect it with Zapier. A link will pop up for you to log into your Facebook account. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. We'll then need to fill out our trigger app's data. Select the pages you'd like to use for your Zap and then click Continue. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. Testing our steps ensures that the data we entered is working. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue and we can start creating our action. In Zapier, an action is a task that happens automatically after our trigger is set off. Log into your Google account just like you did with your Facebook account. From there, we can start to assign our trigger app's data into the action apps fields. I can select from the drop-down menu or add my own text to customize my Zap even further. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Let's check our Sheets account to make sure this worked. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, whenever we receive a Facebook message, it'll automatically be uploaded onto our selected Google spreadsheet. I hope this was a helpful demo. And if Google Sheets and Facebook aren't your thing, Zapier helps anyone connect apps and automate work. No coding required. You can sign up and start for free.